If you're driving along the A2, the N2, then you see this mast at the Croy. And it will carry DAB signals, digital audio broadcasting. Peter Oonk, you're installing these antennas here. It's the future, digital radio.
People say it's the future, yes.
But it's already a daily job for you to install these in these towers, so it is spreading.
Yes, of course, yeah. Installing DAB antennas, I do it for the last 10, 15 years.
And that makes radio digital. I see 4 antennas that will go up for 4 radio stations, but it works in a different way.
No, these antennas, what you see, they are working together to gain the power of the signal.
And for time being, that will be radio for Brainport, Rivierenland Radio, Studio 040, GlowFM, but it can go much further.
Yeah, you can easily go up to, let's say, between 12 and 15 18 channels.
So there's room for more radio stations transmitting all across the Kempen, right here from the Croy in Eindhoven.